show you how to pair, unpair, and factory reset your JBL Live 460 NC. It should work with other JBL Live models as well. Okay, so first thing I want to do is go ahead and pair it directly to my iPhone. Okay, so with my iPhone, let me just go into my settings here first, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth, and I'm going to leave it just like that. Now I'm going to go and grab my JBL headphones, and you want to go where you see all the buttons, okay? And this would be on the right side. Now we have the power button here, so let's go ahead and pair it. So here's the power button. I'm just going to press up like that, and then bring it back down, let go, and now I see a blinking light there. Now let's see if I can see. Okay, so I have JBL Live 460 NC right here. So let me tap on that right there. Oh, I just heard a little beep on there. And now, let's see. Oh, wow. JBL Live 460 NC. Now it is connected. Now, if I want to unpair it, I can just press the little I over here, and I can just disconnect or forget the device. Now, let me do this, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and leave it connected here. So it's connected right now. So now, let's go ahead and perform a factory reset. Do you want to do a factory reset? Like, let's say you're trying to connect to your TV and you just can't connect. Probably the reason is probably it's connecting to a different device, okay? So for me, because I'm already connected on my phone, I'm not going to be able to connect to my TV or my other phones. So what I'm going to do is perform a factory reset, okay? So whatever device is paired on, it's going to be disconnected. And how you do that is very simple, okay? So first thing you can see right here is connected to JBL Live. It says connected here, okay? So go ahead and grab your headphones. Just go ahead and turn it on. And then once it's on, you have the volume up button and volume down. These two buttons on the side. What you want to do is press and hold and keep on holding until the light here starts blinking white, or you hear something on here, okay? You might have to hold for like 8 or maybe even 10 seconds, okay? So it's on, volume up, volume down. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Still holding. We just heard that, and now it's blinking. Okay, now it's going to stop. Now it's going to turn blue, and you can see my JBL Live is now disconnected. Okay, and then from here you have the blue blinking light. You can just go ahead and turn it off. Go ahead and turn it off, and there you go. So now if you want to connect to a device, you have to go through the pairing mode again. All right, any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.